In the heart of Seoul, a clear stream flows between tall buildings. This is Cheonggyecheon, a rare place where city and nature, past and present, coexist. The name Cheonggyecheon means clear stream. True to its name, the water flows clean and fresh. Home to fish and herons in harmony, it's become a living ecological space. But Cheonggyecheon wasn't always like this. It was once a place of poverty, a neighborhood of shacks. Later buried under a concrete highway, a symbol of development, but also of pain. Then, in the early 2000s, Seoul made a bold decision. The highway was torn down, and the stream was restored, nature returned, and so did the people. In the summer of 2025, Cheonggyecheon has become a space of rest. Children and elders stroll by day, while couples and families enjoy the nightlights. Just a 5-minute walk from Gwanghwamun, close to Myeongdong's shopping streets and directly linked to Gwangjong Market, Cheonggyecheon is a must-see for any visitor to Seoul. In the midst of Seoul's busy everyday life, Cheonggyecheon offers quiet comfort if you ever come to Seoul. I truly hope you'll walk this clear and peaceful path.